Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix Roblox error code 524 or the join error issue quickly and easily. First, keep in mind that this fix requires you to be at least 13 years old, as certain settings won't apply otherwise. So start by visiting roblox.com and clicking the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. From there, go to the Privacy and Content Maturity section. Under Visibility and Private Servers, click on Private Servers and set it to Everyone. Next, return to the Privacy and Content Maturity section and locate the Content Maturity settings. Ensure this is set to Restricted, but note that this option requires you to be at least 17 years old. If you're not yet 17, that could be the root cause of the error. After completing these steps, you should be able to join and play any game without encountering the error. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips. See you in the next one.